yeah, I had to switch to my phone because the battery in the drone just went flat. But yeah, I got it all off. I had 2 big ones on this side, so yeah, no drama. But yeah, it looks come up really nice for just a quickie car wash job. Even it didn't even really. My tyres still look nice with the stuff that I got on. I use a Bowden's own tyre sheen, I think it's called, and it's sticky, but like dust doesn't stick to it, but it really clings to the tyres really well. Like after a wash, as you can see, it's still nice and shiny. And even after I wash it at home and I use a brush and everything, you don't really need to apply it every time. It actually does a really good job of staying on there. So yeah, all good. So that's the setup I got. You can see how small the drone is compared to everything else. Yeah, that camera, I hope I didn't just break that. Should be okay. Yeah. Keeps going up. Let me turn that back on. Okay, yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah, she's working. I picked it up and my thumb went like that and made the camera flick back, so I just wanted to make sure it was all good. Considering some of the crashes I just did, I don't think that's going to break it. It's quite a robust drone. So yeah, I think this is a 12 amp hour. I can't remember. 1500 milliamp hour. So that's plenty. That is heaps to charge these kind of batteries up. Actually, I haven't even looked. Oh geez, you need a magnifying glass for that. Hang on. Yeah, it's like grey on grey. I can't see. Oh, there you go. 1000. So it's a 1.4 amp hour battery. So let's call them 1.5. So 3. So yeah, like 4.5. 4. So let's say 5. 10. Oh, so yeah, you'll charge these twice over. So if you rock up charged from home, then you can charge them another 2 times each. So 3. So that's 9 batteries. 9. You've got enough for 9 batteries, or not in here. You've got enough for 6, but you'll come to the park fully charged. So that's a set of batteries, and then this will charge each battery up twice again. So not bad. This lasts 2.7 hours. I heard. I haven't tested it. This would probably last for ages, but I think this is going to be your limiting factor. You probably want to charge that up between flights, which you can do with this, because I think it does have. Well, you've got a cigarette lighter, so you could get a cigarette lighter with 2 USB ports on it. I've got one of them at home, and then run a separate cable. So every time you're not flying, you just top your goggles up, and you could stay all day at a nice place like this. Should be very good. You got all these. I was flying between these, between the trees there and in between those two and doing chicanes. You'll see the video anyway. You would have seen it. Oh no, actually, you'll see the video last. I'll put it last. Yeah, and you'll see how easy it is for someone to pick up. But yeah, easy as. Anyway, I'm going to keep moving. I've been to Bunnings. Where else did I go? I've got to go to Super Cheap. Yeah, I've got to drop the. That's the oil from the car. I've got to drop that off for analysis. I've got to go to the post office and post it in. I've got to go to Super Cheap Auto. I want to get a proper oil filter wrench, or not wrench. I want to get a proper oil filter. What do you call it? Like a claw thing that goes on the back of the oil filter to not only take off. I've got a strap one to take off, but I want to get a claw one that goes on the back so I can take off and put on to a specific torque. Got my torque wrench the other night, so yeah, I want to make sure I'm ready for the next one. Cool. You can flip while you're still recording. You can flip. No, it's not going to stay there. So yeah, I want to go get those cup types, whatever I can find that'll fit. You can buy like a case and it's got every single size you'll ever need. So that'll be good, or a claw type, whatever, but whatever's Super Cheap got, I'm on, as long as it works. Then I've got to go get some more bread mix, which is kind of opposite ends, but it doesn't matter. Running out of bread mix, so since we've had that bread machine, have not bought a loaf of bread. Really good. It's really nice bread too. And that's it. That's my running around. Yeah, that's it. I went and got eggs. We got an egg shortage for some reason. There's no eggs in any shops, like of your normal supermarket shops. There's a place around the corner from me that gets eggs from just up the road in Kalbarri, which is about a 6-hour drive away. So they get eggs from there. I asked them about it, she hadn't even heard about it, but every shop we've been to the last 2 weeks, no eggs. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, all right, we'll keep moving and I'll see you back at home.